Now in previous video we have understand that what is target camera and what is the purpose of it. Now we are going to talk about something which is known as align to spline tag, which is useful to align that camera through that on that spline. For example, suppose if I go to the splines and if I create these circles, and let's deselect this camera view for now. So I am not gonna focus on that camera, and if you hit play you can still see that my camera is still focusing on that object as a center. Okay, but over here we are going to talk about some different concepts. So let's select this spline. I'll press R for rotation. By holding shift I'll rotate it like this on 90 degree, and then we will select this and we are going to increase the radius of this camera like this, and I'm going to move this over here. Now what align to spline tag does is, now my position of my camera is over here. I can easily move this camera wherever I want, but because we have applied target object on that, it will automatically focus on that object only. For example, even if I move this over here, it will still focus on that. But now what I want, that this camera should rotate along with this spline. So for that, what we can use, simply right click, go to the cinema 4D tag, and you will find this align to spline tag over here like this. Okay, so now after applying that, you need to tell the tag that which spline you want that camera should be aligned with. Now I'll select this spline and I'll select it over here. Now if you see, automatically our camera is aligned with the spline like this, and now wherever I'm going to move that spline, my camera will automatically move towards the on that spline. So basically now this camera is parent with this spline, but not only parent with this, now I can animate the position of that camera along the spline. For example, if I select this spline over, I mean this tag over here, and if I change the position to 100%, as you guys can see, it will automatically rotate around that spline. And not only circle, whatever you are going to create, like any spline, it will automatically align with that thing. So now if I go to my camera view, to go to the camera view, I'll select this and I'll click over here. Now if I select this align to spline, then create one position over here, and at last let's make this total 100 and create another keyframe. And if I go to the start and if I see this animation, I'll get this kind of animation because my camera is rotating along with that spline. So yep, this is the use of align to spline option.